Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you put text behind image in Premiere Pro. So guys, to do that, at first let's just put some text here. And now just make the text as you like. Like this. And after that, just click on this opacity. Make sure the opacity is here and click on this pen icon and just select the this tiger like this. Just select this tiger hole and do this. And here you can see some of this text is here, but we don't need that. So for that, click on invert it, and as you can see, it is like that the text is behind the tiger like this. You can click on this text, you can select this selection tool, and you can just change the text as you like this anywhere. So guys, that's how you can put text behind image in Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.